This is what your analysis for question 3 should look like. And in my instructions and my other video, I showed how to come up with this using the data analysis Toolpak. Now, that's the easiest way to do it, but just in case you can't get that to work with your version of Excel, there is another way of generating this kind of a chart or table here. So I'm going to show you how you can do this without the data analysis Toolpak. So go back to your data spreadsheet tab and notice that we are going to be working with the numbers that are in cell D3 here through D57. So we're going to want the mean and the median and the mode and the standard deviation and the minimum and the maximum of that set of numbers in D3 through D57. So find some blank space somewhere on your data spreadsheet page of your Excel file. It can be down below all of this or over to the right. And I'm just going to go ahead and type in the things that we're going to have: the mean and the median and the mode and the standard deviation which you can't see all the words unless I widen that a bit, and the minimum and the maximum. Now over here in this box next to the mean, I'm going to type equals AVERAGE, average. For some reason, Excel calls it average rather than mean. So if you want the mean, you ask for the average, and then parenthesis D3 colon D57. So I'm asking for the average or the mean of the numbers in D3 through D57. So there's that. And I'm going to go ahead and, well, click on home first, but decrease the decimal so that it's rounded to one place after the decimal point. The mean to the nearest tenth is 1.3. Now I'm going to click in the box next to median and type equals median of D3 through D57. So it's telling me the median is 1. And then in the box below that, I'm going to type equals mode D3 through D57. The mode is 1. Then in the next box down, I'm going to type equals STDEV dot S. This is a sample, so we want to use the sample standard deviation. So your options in Excel include STDEV dot P for the population standard deviation, but what we want here is STDEVS. And then in parentheses, D3 colon D57. And that's another one that I want to show to one place after the decimal point. So I'm going to click there and then click in the decrease decimal button until it's only showing one digit after the decimal point. Then I'm going to click in this next box and type equals minimum D3 through D57. Whoops, that wasn't it. It's supposed to be just min. Not spell out minimum, but just min. D3 through D57. And maximum, I'm going to type equals MAX max. D3 through D57. Now, I really want this on its own separate page or tab of the spreadsheet. So I'm going to select all of this. Well, before I do that, let me make a new page. And I would relabel it number of shirts. Now I already did this using the data analysis Toolpak, so I already have a tab labeled number of shirts where I have what we want. But if you didn't do it that way, label your new tab number of shirts, and then go back to here, and you can either cut or copy. We don't really want it here, so it's probably better to cut it. But you could also just do copy. So if you leave it here and then you got a new copy on the other page. So I'm going to either cut or copy. Then go to this other page and click. I'm going to click in cell A2 because I'm going to leave room in the top row for a title. But I'm clicking here and see the little arrow under paste? What I really want is to paste values. I don't want to paste the formulas, but the values. And let me paste not just the values, but the formatting so that we still have everything rounded the way we want it. I'll widen this. Really, I guess I didn't want source formatting. I just wanted number formatting. So the best option to use is the one where you paste values and number formatting. So now let me widen this so we can see all the words. And center everything. Now up here, remember the title was number of shirts. So up here at the top, I'm going to type in number of shirts. I'm going to make that italic. Now I'm going to select these top two cells, A1 and B1. And while they're both selected, I'm going to go up here and click Merge and Center. So that combines them into one big long cell there. I'm going to color in the background, make it a nice color for the heading, and then select the whole thing and add all borders. So now that looks just like what I got when I did it using the data analysis Toolpak. Same little table there. So that's how you can do it if you do not have that data analysis Toolpak and can't figure out how to install it or how to get it to work on your computer.